This is Esther Mahlangu's art car. Joseph actually works on these cars.
Basically, it's a color-changing car. This current one it's a homage to Esther Mahlangu's art. Nosticana, that's the name of her eldest son, which in her Ndela culture, she takes the name of her eldest son. And here we've designed the car to model what she painted on the 1991 12th BMW art car. We have an LCD display over there that you can choose what color you want your car to be.
So people are changing the color of the car themselves on that LCD display?
Yes, yeah. And once they hit confirm, it takes about 15 seconds for the voltage waveforms to flash through and change the color of the car. Only takes about 10 watts to change the color of the car, and once it's changed, it'll stay that way. You can cut the wires and it's just going to stay that way.
Guys, it is a crazy time that we are living in, and I want to say thank you to Joseph.
Absolutely. No.
Thank you to BMW.
Yeah.
For putting South Africa on the world stage. Look at how it's changing color.
It's absolutely amazing.
I'd like to see everyone celebrating their heritage. It's just so beautiful.
Yeah.